I am MS Mishra, math teacher of LPM Public School, Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video, I have already explained how to find a square root of whole numbers, square root of decimal numbers, and how to find a square root by the prime factorization method, and how to find a square root by long division method, and which number is perfect square and which number is not perfect square. So dear students, I'll revise exercise 8.2 and exercise 8.3, which is based on the finding a square root by any number by the long division methods. So first of all, I'll revise exercise 8.2, question number 4. Question number 4 is question number 4. Find the square root. Find the square root of the given number. Find the square root of the given number. This is part 10. Question is 34,596. You have to find out square root of this number by the long division method. So first of all, I will write number 34,596 and make pair from right hand side to left hand side. As this time, this is called period. Here period is 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this period shows that square root number, the square root of this number is 3. Now how I will find square root of this number? So first of all, I will find out number which square is 3 are just equal to 3. Dear students, as you know any number which square is 3. So 1 is the number whose square is 1. So write 1. Here I will write 1. 1 multiplied by 1 will be equal to the 1. Write 1. Now I will subtract 1 from 3, we get 2, and now I will add 1 here, 1, and we get 2. Now I will write second period 45, and I will write here number which will multiply by itself may be equal to 245 or just equal to 245. So here we write, if you write here 8 is 64, 4 carry 6, 8 is 16, 16 plus 6, 22. If you write here 9, then that will be greater than 245. So I will write here 2 I will multiply 28 by 8. 8 is the 64, 4, carry 6. 8 to the 16, 16 plus 6, 22. So, if you write here 9, then it will be 9 multiplied by 9. And it will be 9, 9 carry 2, 1, carry 8, 9 to 18, 18 plus 8, 26. 261 is greater than 245, so I will write here 8 and I will write here also 8. Now I will multiply 8 by 28, we get 8 8 is 64, 4, carry 6, 8 to the 60 plus 6, 20. Here will be 224. Now I will subtract 224 from 245. You get 5 minus 4 will be 1, 4 minus 2 will be 2. Here I will write 96, third here. And I will add 8 here, we get 36. Now I will write here that number which can multiply by itself, we get 2196 are just equal to 2196. So if you write here 6, then here I also will write 6 because 6 is the 36. So here will be 6. Now I will multiply 6 by 366. Then it will be 6 is 36, 6 carry 3, 6 is 36, 36 plus 3, 9, 39, 9, carry 3, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 3, 21. Now here will be 0. So square root of 34,596 will be 186. So I will write square root of 34,596 will be equal to the 186. Dear students, as you know, just I have already explained that here are 3 paid 1, 2, 3. Therefore, square root of this number will be in 3 digits. Here is 3 digits 1, 2, and 3. So, by this way we can guess that how many digits in square root of any number. Now I will revise. I will explain. Find the square root of any fraction. Here, question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Question is, find the square root of find the square root of 17 whole 16 upon 25. 16 upon 25. Solution. First of all, we make this mixed fraction into the improper fraction and find out square root of numerator and square root of denominator. So 17 upon 17 whole 16.25 equal 17 into 25 plus 16 upon 25. Now I will multiply 17 into 25. 17 multiplied by 25. 5 7 the 35. 5 33. 5 7 the 5 38. 2 7 the 44. Carry 1. 2 1 the 2 plus 1 3. 5 8 plus 4 12. 2 carry 1. Carry 1. Or 3 plus 1 4. 425. Now I will add 60. 5 plus 6 11 1 carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. Then it will be equal to the 441 upon 25. Now I will find out a square root of 441 upon 25. First of all, I will find a square root of 441. 441. Make pair. 2 2 are 4. Subtract 4 from 4 we get 0. Now I will add 41. Now I will add 2. 2 plus 2 4. I will add here 1. Here will be 1. 1 1 1 1 4 4. Then it will be a square root of 441 upon 25 equal 21 upon a square root of 25. A square root of 25 will be 25. 5 5 are 25. 5 1 are 5. The 25 equals 5 into 5. Square root of 25 will be equal to the 5. So here will be 5. Square root of 25 will be 5. Now I will express this in the mixed fraction because this number is in mixed fraction. Therefore it will be 5 4 20. 4 over 1 by 5. So square root of 17 whole 16.25 will be 4 over 1 by 5. So if you want to find out square root of any mixed fraction, first of all I will convert into the improper fraction, and after this I will find the square root of that fraction. First of all I will find square root of numerator, and after this I will find the square root of denominator, and after this I will convert into the mixed fraction. Now write another question. Find the square root of the decimals 1043.29. Now I will make pair from before the decimal number, and here will be. Now I will write as 1043.29. Now I will I see that 10 here is 10, therefore it will be 3 3 are 9. 10 minus 9 will be 1. Here I will write 3 plus 3 it will be 6. I will write here 43. Here will be 2 2 to the 4 and 2 6 are 12. 30 minus 4 will be 9 and 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now 30 point, I will write here 29. Here I will add 2. Here will be 64. Now I will write here 3 and here will be 3. Then it will be 3 3 are 9. 3 4 are 12, 2 carry 1. 3 6 are 3 plus 1, 19. So square root of 1043.29 equals 32.3. So I hope that this is clear to you, and you can do this type of question very easily. If number is decimal number, then first of all I will make pair before the decimals and starting from right to left, and make pair after the decimal. If this number after this decimal is not pair, then we put 0 to make pair, and apply process which is also in the integer. So I hope that dear students, you can do all these type of questions very easily. Now next video I will revise next chapter. Thank you so much.